I won! I won the contest! What a glorious award to win at the holidays!
What? Why is the doll I won missing a frickin' leg? Darn it, Jeffrey, your birthday's next week! Stop trying to blow out the miracle of Hanukkah!
I don't know. It's
very specific
have to do.
Now, what is the next action we, the Legion of Doom, should take?
We should overthrow Atlantis and make them bow to us.
We should crush Justice League! We should steal Christmas!
Oh boy, dreidel time, yeah!
Oh! No way! You defeated my dreidel! One more opponent and you become the world's strongest spinning top dreidel master!
I hope you brought enough gil, young one, because now you face me! Ha 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 ha!